I analyzed how Fortune 500 companies use AI, and what I found will blow your mind. The biggest companies in the world are obviously using AI as well, but I promise you that they're using it in ways you've never heard of. Because Fortune 500 companies aren't just using AI, they're building entire systems around it to dominate their industries. They're automating customer service, predicting markets and trends before they even happen, and the crazy part, the exact same strategies are available to you right now. So in this video, I'll break down how these companies use AI and show you exactly how you can copy their playbook for your own business and success. So that by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to implement AI like the big players. So let's start with the first and most powerful AI strategy Fortune 500 companies use right now. And that is enhancing customer service with AI. You see, for example, the health insurer NIB introduced an AI assistant called Nibby, and Nibby's pure purpose is to manage customer service and customer interactions and has significantly reduced the need for humans in customer support. This innovation alone allowed NIB to expand its customer service without increasing their staff. So Nibby is answering personalized questions in a personalized way. It is responding quick, fast, and it actually behaves like a human, and worst case, it doesn't work, it doesn't find an answer, and it can just seamlessly get off this interaction to a human who will then answer the question. And as complex as that might sound, you can use this pretty easily for your own by just deploying AI-powered chatbots to your website or a WhatsApp channel or wherever you're handling the most customers' questions, and they will handle personalized questions right around the clock, 24/7, all days of the week. So with that solution, you as well can save time, money, and human power with just a bit of AI. And trust me, it is actually not as difficult as creating your whole entire AI process like NIB did. By the way, just a second, before I forgot to tell you, these are the average stats when it comes to customer support for a company. I've asked 200 companies, and the average company turns out to take on average 15 hours to answer a simple question. They spend 6 days every month on their customer support just answering questions for clients, leads, or employees, and they spend $25,000 a month on answering these questions. And it happens so that I just found out a way that we can cut this down to under 10 seconds response time, less than 24 hours every month spent on answering questions, and reducing this by $25,000. And I'm gonna give you the solution on how to get from here to here for free. Just click the first link in the video description. Everything you need is explained there. It just takes a few minutes. It is completely free, and it is as well free forever. Go to the first link in the description. Everything is explained in that video, so you can go there and do that if you like. Okay, back to the video strategy number 2, and that is predictive analysis for strategic decision making. So companies like, for example, Amazon, utilize AI to analyze data, which enables them to forecast market trends, customer behaviors, and operational tasks, all that kind of stuff. And this predictive capability facilitates data-driven decisions. So it takes all of the emotions out because you just have to look at the data, which then in the end will optimize things like inventory management or refining marketing strategies or sales strategies. And if you want to use this for your own, honestly, just track your data. I know you're probably not a big Fortune 500 company that has the power or the need to develop your own agents and your own AI systems. Strategic decision making and analyzing patterns in data is a thing you can do on your own. And honestly, the best tools for that are still Excel, or if you want to have a bit AI in that and use a bit AI in your decision making, then you can use an AI table software called rows, so like the row in a table. And rows is pretty much just a sheet software with a bit of AI helping you to predict data, search for it more easily, all those nice AI features if you want to use AI. But honestly, just tracking your data perfectly is the best thing you can do at a not Fortune 500 company level to keep track of your decision making. Next one, Gartner predicts that by 2028, more than 30% of Fortune 500 companies will utilize AI-only service channels capable of managing text, image, and sound interactions. This shift aims to streamline customer service operations and enhance user experience. You could see this as a little bonus that I just told you before. AI in customer service is a big part of the AI revolution. And it's really not that hard to get your own one. I mean, you can just click on the first link to the video in this video description and I'll tell you exactly how to do this for yourself with absolutely no cost and maybe just 10 minutes of your time. So, further is AI for talent acquisition and management. Big Fortune 500 companies are using AI to streamline recruitment processes by, for example, scanning resumes, accessing candidate fit, and even predicting performance and retention of employees. And how could you do that? For example, there's tools like HireVue or Pymetrics for AI-supported job interviews, or tools like HireTool or LinkedIn Recruiter AI to find your best candidates. As well, you can use little tricks as well, like a chatbot on this point as well, to pre-interviews the ones you want to have in your job interview so that they can beforehand go through a bunch of questions to then be sorted out if they are a fit for the company to be invited to a job interview with you or whoever in your company is doing the job interviews. And last but not least, my personal favorite on this list, something I found really interesting in my research, is AI-driven product quality control. So enhancing your product in quality and ensuring that it has this quality even over time with AI. And for example, we see this with Amazon. Who would have thought? Because Amazon has developed an AI system to detect defective products before they are shipped to customers. So aiming to enhance customer satisfaction and reduce return rates. And then there's a bunch more to it, which is not only auto-detect defect, but analyzing customer feedback, which, by the way, you can do at a low level with ChatGPT. So here's a file with the feedbacks I got from customers, analyze this to how I can make my product better. Of course, first off, you should have watched this video of mine to make sure that your ChatGPT is working at the highest level. But customer feedback analysis is something you can do very well with ChatGPT. As well, you can use tools like computer vision with OpenCV or Google AutoML to scan your products, or IBM Maximo Visual Inspection, crazy name here, to find out about quality problems early on. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If this topic, AI and chatbots for your business, seems interesting to you, then I have the first link in the video description, made a video on the first step that you need to take to implement AI into your business. As I mentioned before, it is completely free. In the video I explained how I helped many companies with AI. I want to give you that for free. It is free forever, so you can go and click the first link in the video description, watch that video, everything you need is explained in there. So, we'll see us there. I'm excited for you to take this next step.